We are Excelsior Heating Services. We have been working in the Surrey area for around about 10 years. So Winkford Farm project is where we currently are. We started with the client and the client's architects at the end of 2020. One of the mechanical consultants' worries was overheating in the building. So the consultant wanted to use cooling via the heat pump system. We did not have any experience in cooling, so we contacted Multipipe to see if they had experience with cooling, which they did, which was amazing. So the consultant's original design for the cooling involved using ceiling panels and wall panels. When we consulted Multipipe, they suggested it would be better to install the system directly into the fabric of the building and plaster it in to give a true thermal mass, which we did and has worked very successfully. David from Multipipe was with us all the way. Any additional information we required, he was always there to support. We used a control system, again supplied by Multipipe, which was Salus Controls, where David has helped set up and has liaised with the client to show them how to use it efficiently through their app. We've also used, within the project, all domestic hot and cold services are Multipipe pipework and fittings. The feeds to the underfloor manifolds or the cooling manifolds are all via Multipipe. We've also used Multipipe pump stations so that we can have central pumping via the plant room to eliminate any noise within the building. The pump stations have proved very helpful in setting and balancing the system and being able to understand flow and return temperatures all whilst in the plant room. So the benefits to the client are that they have effectively a free cooling system to run, because it's run via the ground source heat pump and the brine collectors in the ground, so that they can subtly cool the building without the use of air conditioning and compressors. So therefore it's literally just using a circulating pump, and that's the only energy requirement to provide cooling. The building is very well insulated. It has lots of glass, so overheating is always going to be a problem, but this method of cooling solves that. So after working with Multipipe on the Winkford Farm project, it has made us far more confident to move forward on other projects with specifically cooling. We'd certainly be very keen to move forward in the larger pipework, up to 108mm, having used the 75mm pipework, how easy it is, and a project that I'd definitely recommend. The backup I've always had through ordering, design and supply has been amazing.